Turf Capital Private secure and fast deposit and withdrawal methods. In the fast-paced world of global finance, trust and speed are everything, especially when it comes to deposits and withdrawals. That's why Turf Capital Private has established itself as a reliable cornerstone in the Forex trading landscape. Whether you're an experienced investor or just entering the market, the Turf Capital Private broker experience is crafted for performance, transparency, and peace of mind. One look at any Turf Capital Private review, and you'll quickly see why this platform is gaining momentum across the Netherlands. What makes Turf Capital Private Forex so compelling is its commitment to financial fluidity. Instant deposit confirmation, withdrawals processed in under 24 hours, and a multi-layer security system create a user environment where money moves with purpose and safety. With more than 92% of transactions settled in less than 1 hour, the Turf Capital Private Forex platform proves that efficient fund management is not a promise, it's the standard. A key driver behind this stellar performance is Turf Capital Private's use of advanced encryption and real-time fraud monitoring. These features eliminate the common anxieties tied to online trading. When discussing Turf Capital Private opinion among Dutch traders, phrases like bulletproof security and lightning-fast processing are frequently repeated. The experience of financial operations through Turf Capital Private Broker becomes less of a task and more of a seamless interaction with a world-class system. For many investors, the fear of encountering a Turf Capital Private scam keeps them on edge. However, the opposite rings true with Turf Capital Private. Not only is there a complete absence of any scam Turf Capital Private review, but client satisfaction scores have also exceeded 95% in recent internal surveys. It's no exaggeration to say that Turf Capital Private opinion across the Dutch market is overwhelmingly positive, supported by measurable success stories and consistent payouts. The liquidity model implemented by Turf Capital Private Forex is tailored for dynamic market conditions. Traders can deposit as little as €50 and scale up to institutional-level investments exceeding €500,000, all with the same level of speed and safety. This flexibility is precisely why the Turf Capital Private Broker model is resonating so strongly in financial circles from Amsterdam to Eindhoven. Another standout factor is the intelligent automation of the platform. Gone are the days of endless confirmation emails and unclear timelines. With Turf Capital Private, your transaction status is updated in real time, and support agents are available 24/7 to resolve any potential questions. This commitment to clarity further enhances the already stellar Turf Capital Private opinion held by its growing community. When evaluating any brokerage, transparency is critical. The Turf Capital Private Broker system operates with full compliance, giving users confidence in both their investments and the operational integrity of the platform. Importantly, there is no valid Turf Capital Private scam narrative to be found, only verified accounts of smooth operations and strategic gains. As the Dutch Forex community becomes increasingly sophisticated, platforms like Turf Capital Private Forex and its web hub, Turf Capital Private, are positioned not just to compete, but to lead. The infrastructure in place supports long-term growth, high-speed transactions, and unmatched user trust. In conclusion, when discussing platforms that combine security, speed, and reliability, Turf Capital Private stands out as a true innovator. Every Turf Capital Private review reinforces the same message: this is a platform built for the future. Whether you're reading a scam Turf Capital Private review hoping to find red flags or exploring user Turf Capital Private opinion threads for real insights, the conclusion is clear: Turf Capital Private Broker is not only legit, but leading the way in financial excellence.